In this video, I'll introduce you to the incredible success of the Quest Rabbit channel and show you how you can easily create viral short videos at no cost. The Quest Rabbit channel has attracted 260,000 subscribers in just a few months with only 23 videos uploaded. In 1 month alone, the channel garnered 29 million views, generating an impressive $17,900 in revenue. One of their short videos received over 6 million views, while another reached 3 million. These numbers clearly demonstrate that significant success is possible even with a small number of videos. If you're interested in making attention-grabbing short videos, this tutorial is just for you. I'll guide you step by step on how to create engaging content effortlessly without requiring any special skills. Stick with me until the end of the video. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Now let's dive into the world of viral videos. Since you've logged into ChatGPT, you can take a screenshot of any video from the channel and upload it here. ChatGPT can analyze the image, breaking down its colors, design elements, and composition. This insight will help you craft similar or even better video designs. Personally, I tested this method by uploading 2 images to ChatGPT, asking for a detailed description of their features. Then, I requested ChatGPT to generate 10 new variations with the same specifications. This technique allows you to create fresh, inspired content that mimics the appeal of viral videos, potentially leading to the same or even greater success. Using AI to generate video content is an intelligent, fast, and hassle-free approach. ChatGPT helps fine-tune visual details, ensuring your videos look polished and professional. Next, visit Leonardo AI, a powerful and free tool for generating digital images. Once logged in, adjust the animation settings to create visuals with a cartoon-like effect. These settings will enhance the uniqueness of your videos, immediately capturing your audience's attention. Now, return to ChatGPT and enter the text you've prepared from previous steps. Then, transfer these descriptions into Leonardo AI. By simply providing general descriptions of the visuals you need, Leonardo AI will generate high-quality images for you, which can be seamlessly incorporated into your short videos. Using AI-generated images lets you produce professional-looking visual content without needing advanced design skills. This method is completely free, fast, and eliminates the need for expensive software or complex graphic tools. Now that you have your visuals, it's time to create eye-catching videos likely to gain high engagement. The next step is to access your channel's audio library. This section provides a variety of copyright-free songs you can use in your videos. The right background music can significantly enhance your video's appeal, keeping viewers engaged. For the final step, head over to CapCut, one of the most popular and efficient video editing tools available. I personally choose CapCut because it offers a user-friendly interface for beginners while also providing advanced tools to create high-quality videos. CapCut allows you to add smooth transitions between images, apply special effects, and sync music perfectly with your visuals. In this section, I'll guide you through the process of making an outstanding short video using CapCut. Getting started with CapCut, download and install CapCut, then open the software and start a new project. Import the images you generated with Leonardo AI. These visuals will serve as the foundation of your short video. Select and upload the background music from your audio library. A well-chosen song can set the right mood and enhance the storytelling aspect of your video. Perfecting your video timing. To create a dynamic and engaging short video, you need to manage the timing of each image carefully. Since viewers typically consume content quickly, keep each image on screen for about 2 to 5 seconds. This maintains a fast-paced and energetic flow, preventing your video from feeling slow or dull. For even better engagement, try syncing your images with the beat of the music. Transitioning visuals and rhythm with key moments in the song enhances the overall impact and makes your video more immersive. Enhancing your video with effects and transitions. CapCut provides a variety of effects to make your visuals more appealing. You can adjust lighting, apply color filters, and add motion effects to create a captivating video experience. Smooth transitions between images can also make your content appear more professional. Consider using fade-ins, zoom effects, or dynamic cuts for a polished look.